Texas, and what do we find? Buc-ee's. So if you have a trailer and you want to stop and you're in Central Texas, they have a lot of gas. Normally their gas prices are really great here too. And stop on in, it's easy parking. They have 2 sets of pumps. And then also you can see the trailers can park up front very easily once you get your gas if you need that. And there's a ton of parking. They have the Tesla stations here and all that charging stations. And I think Zach's hungry for a barbecue sandwich.
Chopped beef barbecue sandwich, I'm ready.
Okay, so this gives you an idea. 2 sides of gas pumps in Temple, and you know, we look forward to the restrooms too and grabbing a few snacks before we head on down the road again.
Hey guys, this is Buc-ee the Beaver. So no trip to Buc-ee's is complete unless you get to come spend some time with him.
Absolutely, you got to get a free souvenir picture with Buc-ee the Beaver when you're visiting Buc-ee's.
That's right. The CEO of the company decided they wanted to have the mascot kind of cast in a statue, and he sought out an artist that started making these, and now most of the Buc-ee's you go to, you can find this and have a picture with it.
And guys, he's not a squirrel, he's got a real beaver tail.
So we are in Buc-ee's and we're going to be taking a restroom break, but this is on a Monday, so it's not as crowded, and Beverly has a barbecue over there, heading to the restrooms now.
Okay, there's a lot of claim to fame about Buc-ee's, but probably one of the biggest most people know about are their restrooms. They are clean, immaculate, and so nice. It is amazing anytime I walk into a Buc-ee's how clean the restrooms are. Hey, to give you an idea, guys, there's somebody always cleaning restrooms at Buc-ee's. The sinks sparkle, the restroom sparkles, and each one of the restroom bays. So all the restrooms, it's not like a normal stall. They're almost completely closed off and private. You walk in, and I mean, look at that toilet. It is clean. You've got your own room here. There's a small gap at the door, small gap at the bottom. But for the most part, you're completely private in the bathroom, and it is clean as a whistle. All right, if you've heard anything about Buc-ee's, you've probably heard about beaver nuggets because everybody loves them some beaver nuggets.
Yeah, they're really a sweet, crispy treat, and apparently they are really addictive for some people. A little sweet for my taste, but guys, they've got so many flavors here.
All right, for years, the big seller has always been the regular beaver nuggets, these. But they've got a new one now that I really want to try, and that is the beaver nuggets with sea salted caramel. You know, sea salt is in everything now, and I'm a fan. I like the sea salt caramel.
That's pretty tasty. Yep, I bet we'll be trying that one out. Hey guys, you can get everything here. Snorkel sets, a new dress. Maybe you want the shoes. Everything's here at Buc-ee's.
All right, Linda, she's over here looking at the hats. Linda, you got to try one of the hats on.
Oh, you think?
Oh, yeah.
Okay, we'll see what this one looks like. I think this is how you put it on.
Oh, and you know what? It's got a little pink in the hats. Kind of matches
You
your
think
dress.
it matches?
Oh, yeah, that
What
works.
do you think?
I like it.
Hey, Zach, what do you think? Like, are you liking that one?
You know, it's kind of that whole thing of everything's bigger in Texas. Well, here we go.
Oh, try it on. Absolutely. Oh, honey. Oh, yeah.
Oh, baby, huh?
Oh, baby.
Yeah.
Look at you in that hat.
It's a big hat. Okay, guys, make up your own punchline here, okay?
Comment below.
Okay, guys, we're here in Buc-ee's. My wife was wanting some new pajamas. The thing is, I never thought she would find her pajamas at Buc-ee's, but she did. Take a look.
You gotta have it, guys. Isn't this the best? And watch that tail. I love it.
Okay, guys, I think I better watch out. I think my wife might have found a new boyfriend. This might be trouble. Okay, guys, I think I found my wife that perfect new little string bikini with the Buc-ees. Hey, hun, what do you think?
No way. Not doing it. So guys, this ghost pepper, there is no way my husband is going to be going for this. But definitely check out this Bohemian garlic. I think you'll like it.
Run down it right now. Look at this, ghost pepper, hot and spicy, peppered turkey, Korean barbecue, Bohemian garlic, Korean barbecue, cherry maple, teriyaki, sweet and spicy, mesquite, western salt pepper, steakhouse, peppered, Bohemian garlic, cherry maple. Guys, it's just on and on and on. It is a beef jerky delight if you like beef jerky.
Absolutely. So you can get this fresh beef jerky here, or in smaller packs up against the wall down there. They're already pre-packaged. But here in the deli cases is the freshest. So check it out.
All right. So tell us, what's your best seller here?
That's going to be the Bohemian garlic.
Okay, Bohemian garlic. He's going to give us a sample.
There you go.
We'll see how this tastes. And Linda, here's... Uh-oh, dropped it.
That's all right. I got another one for you.
All right.
There you go.
Yeah, that's good. Get the Bohemian garlic. He knows his stuff.
Hey guys, we have had both chopped and sliced beef brisket here, and we really prefer the chopped brisket, and they make them fresh all the time, nice and hot. But also get some of these beaver chips. These are really tasty too. Everything is homemade and very good, fresh out of the oven. So interesting facts about Buc-ee's, they're in the Guinness World Records, and New Braunfels was the largest Buc-ee's, and that was a world record. Well, now from what I understand, the largest one is going to be in Pigeon Forge. Not sure if you've been there or not. If you have, drop it in the comments and let us know. Hey guys, don't know if you know this, but Buc-ee's has the largest car wash, and it's a world record. It's located in Katy, Texas, and they're making more car washes all the time. Check it out, guys. Hey guys, there's even a home goods section. Come along, let's take a look.
Well, I think you get the idea. There is a lot of stuff, and this is just the home goods section.
Yeah, I'm getting a little overwhelmed.
What'd you find there, Linda?
Oh my gosh, look at this. It's the Circle E candles. They are made in Fredericksburg, Texas, and we have visited their shop before. This Bird of Paradise is my favorite scent. It makes my house, my RV smell awesome. So it's one of my favorites.
And guys, here's one of the great things. It is the perfect gift for your wife. There's a birthday, an anniversary, Mother's Day, special occasion. I get it. I get a Circle E candle. I'm golden.
I always love it. Hey guys, I love it. You can stop at Buc-ee's and try the hand lotions. You know, like back in the day when Cracker Barrel really used to have the lotions in their bathroom. Well, guess what? You can do this at Buc-ee's now.
Huh. If I only had some metallic cowhide. Well, guess what Buc-ee's has got? Metallic cowhide.
These smell so good. This is one of my favorite things to get at Buc-ee's. So make sure when you come here, you grab some of these. But they smell even better than they taste. So you can get cinnamon glazed almonds, you can get cinnamon glazed cashews, or there's also cinnamon glazed pecans. Pecans is my favorite. Okay guys, so you can get this deal with the fudge. It's made fresh daily. And you can buy 4 and get 2 free. And that's the best way to get the best value for your fresh fudge at Buc-ee's.
Speed it up!
Everybody says.
Now, I don't know that it's as good as my banana pudding. I make the Paula Deen banana pudding that is to die for. But if you're talking about convenience store banana pudding, this is number 1.
Okay, so we'll have to have a little bit of a taste test when we get back in the motorhome. I've heard awfully good things about this banana pudding. We'll find out.
Absolutely, guys.
So one thing you might not know about Linda and I yet, we're kind of key lime pie fans. And so this caught our attention. This is key lime pie pudding.
Yum! I love key lime pie. How about you? Are you more key lime pie or are you more banana pudding? Tell us about it in the comments.
It's so tasty, too.
Guys, can you believe it? They even have quail eggs, okra, jalapenos.
Okay, here's the wall that every kid that comes to the Buc-ee's loves. It is an old-fashioned candy wall. Sour tappies, cherry sours, the wax bottles with the little juice things inside all of them. They love it. Okay, now over here, look, and we've got jalapeno jelly. We've got Lone Star honey. Over here on the other side, we've got Grandma's pepper jam and jelly, prickly pear jelly, strawberry preserves. You name it, they've got it. Okay, come on, let's go. Now here's a bottle of Chardonnay, a little more in my price range. At Buc-ee's, it's $9.99 on my favorite Vivimo app. It is average price at $18.63. $9.99 at Buc-ee's. Average price everywhere, $18.63. Wine at Buc-ee's? Who would have thought? Okay, for all you guys out there in the RV world that uses diesel, Death, right here at Buc-ee's, 2.5 gallons, $9.48. That's a good deal. I'm loving it. Banana pudding. Yep. Oh, you guys are still here? I wish I could share some with you, but there's not going to be anything left soon.